Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Authentication. So today we are going to learn sending JWT token in the cookie. Okay, so those who haven't watching my previous video, so please go and watch the previous video because I'm going to just edit some of the lines of code today. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the last process we are doing the login part, so we are received the token. Now today we are going to learn how to send in the JWT token in the cookie. So like in the front end, so when they are login, so they can use the values from the cookie and do the registration authentication part, right? So they need to send the token so that I need to validate each and every step the token is valid or not. Okay, so here we go with this one. So in the last video we have done with the here like how to generate the token, but here expiration I haven't added, so let's add the expiration also, like 1 hour it will expire the token. So here we go with this one. So where will we go with this one? Here, const token. So let's add the expiration also. Okay. Now we are going to set the JWT token in the cookie. So here we go with this one. Send the token in a cookie. Okay. So, and this cookie serialize options. Okay. So this is the method that I need to add. So let's add this cookie like this. Okay. Set headers, set cookie, serialize token, cookie options. So maximum, that is 1 hour. Okay, you can also set the other cookie options such as secure, true, or HTTPs. Okay, so for that one you can also add. Okay, now the cookie is set. Let's try to log in and check that everything is working or not. Okay, let's try to send this one. Because it's a post request, so whenever there is a front end hit to this API, then definitely it will add into their cookie. Okay, so this is working fine. Okay, so whenever you try to use this API into your front end, whether it's to be React, Vue, Angular, so make sure that cookie is set. Then you can check in the browser cookie section that is set or not. Okay, or whenever there is a login then front end, then definitely they need to handle the token where they need to save this token, whether it's to be in cookie, whether it's to be an you can say local storage, or okay, so it depends up to him, because at the last of the day, at the end of the day, what we require the token to validate the endpoints of the REST API, right? So this is that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.